In less than 24 hours since I covered GPT real time, Step Fun from China has dropped this Step Audio to Mini model, which is 8 billion speech to speech, and has beaten GPT-4 audio. It is all Apache 2 licensed, and this is what we are going to install in this video and test it out. This is Fahad Mirza, and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe, and also consider becoming a member of the channel, as that supports a lot. I have been covering step models from Step 1 for quite some time. They have always been solid, and they haven't done anything groundbreaking yet, but still the quality is always there. So I'm very keen to see how exactly their S2S or speech to speech model performs. If you go through the details of this model, it is quite interesting. What this model does, it integrates audio directly into the language modeling pipeline. That allows it to process and generate both text and audio tokens in a unified interleaved sequence. The architecture starts with a frozen pre-trained audio encoder and then goes from there. I'm not going to tell you about the architecture at the start. Let's get it installed, test it out, and in between I will be talking more about the architecture. So I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA A6 RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's start by creating a virtual environment with Conda. And if you're looking to rent a GPU on very good prices, you can find the link to Mast Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Next, we need to git clone the repo of this Step Audio 2. So first we need to git clone its base git repo, and then we would git clone within that repo the mini Step Audio. So the base is done. Now let's do the Step Audio 2 mini within the root of that repo, and that is also done. And then we need to install all the prerequisites, which include transformers, torch audio, gradio, and all that stuff. This is going to take a minute or so. While that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are iGent. iGent is the world's first multi-agent workforce desktop application, empowering you to build, manage, and deploy a custom AI workforce that can turn your most complex workflows into automated tasks, and you can find their link in video's description. As it is still installing, let's talk a bit more about the architecture of this model. So as I said, the architecture starts with a frozen pre-trained audio encoder that captures rich acoustic features, followed by an audio adapter that downsamples the output to around 12.5 Hz for efficient processing by the LLM decoder. This decoder, trained to handle mixed text audio sequences using a Cozy Voice 2 based tokenizer, generates responses that can include spoken audio, enabling true end-to-end voice interaction, and then the audio tokens are then passed to a T tokenizer composed of a flow matching module and also a hi-fi GAN vocoder. So all of this system is synthesizing high quality waveforms. What sets this Step Audio 2 Mini apart from the paper and from the repo is its ability to support intelligent, context-aware conversations using tool calling and multimodal RAG. It can even retrieve real-time information like weather, time, or web content, and even access a large voice library via an audio search tool to mimic specific speaking style or switch vocal timbres dynamically. So there are a lot of features there, and to top it off, it's all Apache 2 license, which is really amazing. Yeah. And everything is installed. Next step, you can simply launch your Gradio demo from the root of the repo. And it has started the Gradio demo at localhost port 7860. Let's access it in the browser. And first time when you start it, you can see that it gives you a Chinese system prompt. Let me translate it into English. And this is what it looks like in English. Let me just make it a bit smaller. Okay, it is just staying like that anyway. So it says that your name is Xiaowei. I think I'm pronouncing it right. A voice model trained by Step Star Company. You have a delicate emotional understanding, strong observational skills, and that all that stuff. Today is Friday, August 29, though it is Saturday now in Sydney. So maybe I'll just keep it as is. Please communicate with the user using the default female voice. And this is a chatbot which will do something. This is where you can upload your audio. I think it is optional, but you can also give a text prompt here. So let's get started. I'm just going to first do speech to speech in real time. I'm just going to click on this mic icon. Okay, it doesn't seem like it is real time, so that is fine. We are just going to upload an audio because I already have some audio files, and then we will see what it does there. I have uploaded this audio file from my local system. What is happiness? Let me click on submit here. And it is working at the moment. Let's check the VRAM consumption. And it is consuming just touch over 24 gig of VRAM. So it took around 30 seconds to come back. So this is my audio which I uploaded, and this is the response. Let me play the response.
Happiness, to me, is that warm feeling when you're with people you love and really care about. It's that sweet moment when you see someone smile or hear a voice, and suddenly your heart just feels lighter. And there's also those little surprises in life, like spotting an old friend on the street or getting a text from someone you haven't heard from in ages. But honestly, happiness can be as simple as taking a walk in the park, soaking up some sunshine, or just sitting quietly with a good book. But he is finding that little joy in everyday moments.
I think that was pretty good. I mean, it's not bad at all. 37-second. Let me now record something from my microphone and then ask it. Maybe I will try to ask some real time question. And it is unable to detect my microphone, as you can see on the right hand side. Maybe because I'm accessing it through a VNC client. That is why it is unable to find it in my Ubuntu system. Anyway, I will upload another audio. Okay, next I'm going to give it an emotion filled audio. Let me first play it. And maybe I will also submit it so that, while okay, it has gone. Okay, anyway, let it process first and then I will play both of them. And the model is still working, as you can see. I just wanted to show you the time it is taking. It is just approaching, I believe, around 15 minutes now. I think this is one area they need to badly improve. Maybe it is doing reasoning, long thinking, something like that behind the scene. But still, I believe in a conversation or sort of speech to speech, this latency is unacceptable. Quality is quite good, no doubt about that. And we will also check it out with the conversation. But taking this much time is a big, I think, question mark. Okay, at last, after close to 15 minutes, it has come back. Let me play first the original.
I can't believe this is actually happening. After 3 years of working nights and weekends, missing family dinners, and doubting myself countless times, I finally got the call. They accepted my proposal. My hands are literally shaking right now. There were moments when I wanted to give up completely, especially last winter when everything seemed impossible. I remember crying in my car after that brutal rejection meeting, thinking maybe I'm just not cut out for this. But my grandmother always told me that the biggest victories come right after you feel like quitting. And here I am, proving her right once again. This isn't just a win for me. It's for everyone who believed in this crazy dream when nobody else would. I'm scared, I'm excited, I'm overwhelmed, but most of all, I'm grateful. Tomorrow, everything changes, and I couldn't be more ready for what comes next.
So it's a bit of a long audio. There are a lot of emotions packed in it. Let's see what model has come up with.
Wow, this is absolutely amazing! 3 years of hard work and perseverance have finally paid off. What an incredible story! You know what? Those late nights and endless weekends weren't in vain at all. All those I'm done moments. We're just building up to this one shining moment. And now look, even your grandmother was right. The biggest victory comes right after you feel like giving up. Congratulations! So today is totally your day. It's time to celebrate. Maybe go out for dinner tonight with family and friends, or buy yourself something special to mark the occasion. This is truly a life-changing moment.
So that was really quite a grounded response. At the end, I was, fearing that she might just point her to Timu. Anyway, this was really good. Let me try out a rag stuff, or even before that, let's try to do a real time. So I'm going to ask it that if it could do something like telling me the weather. So let me clear the history just to make sure everything is good. Let me upload an audio from my local system, and I'm just going to upload this audio. Let me play it.
What is the weather in Sydney, Australia today?
Let's run this. It's a short prompt, so hopefully it will be quicker this time. I'll just go up and wait. And the model has come back. Let me play.
Today in Sydney, Australia, it's mostly sunny with a temperature of about 30 degrees Celsius. The wind is blowing at about 10 kilometers per hour, so it might be a little chilly if you're out.
That is actually quite correct. I mean, it's not, because if you remember, the date was 29th. So yesterday. So yesterday it was a similar weather. Okay, and but I might be wrong. I was making video for you guys. I didn't go out, but I think it felt like around that. Okay, let's try to do one quick final rag one. Now, I'm not entirely sure this would work in this demo, so I'm just doing it in front of you. So what I have done here, I have just given it this audio prompt.
Who is Fahd Mirza?
The model is not aware of who Fahad Mirza is. So I have provided some uh, context around Fahad Mirza. So let's see if model is able to pick this up. Let's run this. And the model has come back. You see, it has even put everything in chatbot 2. Let's play it.
Sure, I'd love to check out his channel. It sounds really interesting. What topics do they usually cover?
There you go. So the rag works. So I have, because previously model has no clue who Fahad Mirza is, but now model knows who Fahad Mirza is. And we can also check that out too. So I have just uploaded that audio again.
Who is Fahd Mirza?
There is no text in the box this time. Let's play the response.
Fahd Mirza was a famous Azerbaijani poet, writer, and playwright who lived in the 18th century. He's one of the most well-known figures in Azerbaijani literature and culture.
Okay, I didn't know that, and I have never been to Azerbaijan, so I was not aware that I was such a famous figure over there. So, hello Azerbaijan. But you see that RAG works with this model. Seems like a really good model. The only thing they need to improve is speed and latency. So that's it. Now please do me a favor and consider becoming a member of the channel. So for instance, if you go to the channel's homepage and for some weird reason it doesn't show it here, maybe I will just try to remove this feature and show you. So if you go to the main page, there should be a member ship tab here. It doesn't show me here for some reason. Maybe I would need to sign in, and then when you would click there, you can simply become a member. Or if you go to the first comment of any of the video and then just simply click there, this is a link to join the membership, and then from there you can join and become the member. It's very cheap, but it supports the channel a lot. Thank you for all the support. Much appreciated.